In this video, we're going to learn how to use observables with error handling. So if you go ahead and open up the passenger dashboard, what we're going to do is duplicate these and we're going to import the catch operator and we're also going to import throw. Now, one change we need to make is change this to observable because it's actually part of the observable and it's not an operator itself. So what we want to do is scroll down to our responses, and what we can simply do is just chain these like we have done with map. So what we can do is .catch. Now what we'll get through here is in fact an error. Now depending on what your error response will be, you can set a custom type. However, we're just going to use any. Now inside this arrow function, what we're going to simply do is do observable and then .throw. And because we're getting this error here, what we'll do is error.json. So we'll actually abstract the JSON from the error response. Now this is actually very simple. We can copy this and we can just go down to each of these. We can delete the semicolons, add them to each and every one of these. Now what this means when we save this is that if there is an error in one of our responses, inside our dashboard component, the subscription actually has two arguments. So the first argument is our response. However, we can have a second argument, which will be the error. Now you can see here that this is automatically popped up here saying error. So this allows us to essentially use an observable to throw the error, so we can do some error handling inside the second argument should we need to. So now you've learned how to add an observable, catch and throw to your Angular HTTP requests to then continue the observable sequence.